Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can easily share large file size from one laptop to any other laptop. Here you need to type file mail. Then here you can see this one filemail.com, and here you can easily upload your files. After that you will get a shareable link. Scroll down. So you need to create a free account. And you can easily use 5 GB free of cost. So you can click on sign up free. Then after that you can add your email. Then click on continue button. For example, let me add here. Then scroll down, click here send button. So after that you can protect your file with a password, and you can select the file duration. Then click on send button. And here you can see file is uploading. Here you can see file is transferred using email, and you can get the link here. So you can share this link to anyone else where you want this file should be downloaded.